Salut, c'est Nishi. Hello, this is Nishi. Welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to conjugate IR or second group regular verbs in present tense with examples. And I will share with you a lots of informations about this group, like about exceptions, pronunciation and some more tips. So I'd like you to stay with me till the end of this tutorial. This is tutorial number 12 of the series that I am making on basic French lessons for the beginners. If you didn't subscribe yet, consider subscribing my channel as I upload new tutorial for you every week. Okay, group 2 verbs which are regular and called IR verbs because all the verbs of this group when infinitive are ended by IR like choisir, agir, finir, punir, grandir, etc. You can see that all of these verbs ended by IR and all of these are in their infinitive form, that is the unconjugated form that we generally find in the dictionary. A verb has two parts, stem or radical part and ending part. Let's take an example of IR verb like choisir. Here, choix is the stem and IR is the ending. IR is the ending for all IR verbs. Group 2 verbs conjugation in present tense is really easy as they follow a particular conjugation pattern. Their stem always remains same and we just have to change the ending for each of the subject pronoun. Let's take a look at the special endings for each of the subject pronoun in present tense. For je, it's is. For tu, also is. Then it, ISSONS, ISSEZ, ISSENT. And the pronunciations are I, isson, isse, is. For example, let's take a regular IR verb to conjugate in present tense. Choisir, to choose. Remove the IR part from this verb and you will get the stem of this verb. First, take the subject pronouns, then the stem of this verb. Now just add the special endings for each subject pronoun. Like here, is, it, ISSONS, ISSEZ, ISSENT. Je choisis, tu choisis, ils, ont choisi, nous choisissons, vous choisissez, ils, choisissent. Easy, right? And all regular IR verbs follow this pattern. Now, some important things about the pronunciation. If in a word we have double S, then we have to pronounce it like only one S sound, S. For example, isson, isse. And if S comes before a vowel, then S sound gets changed. It sounds like Z, Z sound. For example, SI, S plus vowel, it's Z, like choisi. And now here, this one, and this one. Their written forms are different, but the pronunciation is exactly same, choisi. And it's for all regular IR verbs. Now, let's see what not to pronounce. This is S, T, S and ENT. They are all silent. We don't pronounce them. We pronounce like je choisis, not choisis. Nous choisissons, not nous choisissons. Ils choisissent, not ils choisissent. Okay? Okay, to clear about everything, let's conjugate another regular IR verb in present tense. Finir, to finish. Je finis, tu finis, ils, ont fini, nous finissons, vous finissez, ils, finissent. An important thing to keep in mind that there are a number of irregular IR verbs in French which belong in group 3 like avoir, falloir, savoir, etc. Now you are maybe wondering how you supposed to know whether a verb is regular or irregular IR verb? Well, sadly, there is no hard and fast rule for this, but there is a little trick. We can recognize the regular IR verbs from their present participle form. Like in English, present participle form ended by ing, and here regular IR verb ended by ISSANT, ISSANT. For example, choisissant, choosing, finissant, finishing, agissant, acting, etc. And other tips for you, verbs which indicate physical change or transformation are mostly regular IR verbs. For example, grandi, blanchi, pâli, élargi, etc. Now, let's quickly revise how to conjugate regular IR verbs in present tense. Well, we need the radical or stem of the verb, which we will find after removing IR from the verb. And then we have to add these appropriate endings for each subject pronoun. I, ils sont, isse, is. Okay, a quiz for you now. Let's see how much we have learned. Here are some sentences with gaps, and you have to put the right conjugation of each verb. I'm doing the first one for you. For this sentence, the verb is choisi and subject is je. So it will be choisi. Je choisis le thé. I choose tea. Now your turn. I'm giving you some time, or if you want, you can pause the video. Okay then, start now. I think you did well. Now see the answers. Il finit. Il finit bientôt. Les enfants grandissent. Les enfants grandissent vite. Elles établissent. Elles établissent une école. Elle punit. Elle punit le garçon pour monter. That is it. Let me know how was it for you. That's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel. If you like this tutorial, give a thumbs up, and if you have any question, comment below. A bientôt, au revoir. Bye bye.